Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonica in the key of C. First, hold your harmonica with the low notes, holes 1 through 3, on your left side. Use your left hand to cup the instrument, allowing your right hand to create a resonant chamber. This grip helps control airflow and enhances tone. Focus on relaxing your mouth and lips to form a tight seal around a single hole, ensuring a clear, focused sound. We will cover basic techniques to get you started. Achieving clear single notes is fundamental. Instead of puffing your cheeks, use your diaphragm for controlled airflow, similar to sighing or fogging a mirror. Practice drawing air in on holes 1 through 10 and blowing air out on holes 1 through 10. Focus on keeping your tongue low and relaxed. A good exercise is to play a single note, hold it for 4 counts, then move to the next. This builds breath control and embowels your strength. Now, let's play some simple melodies. The C major scale on a 10-hole diatonic harmonica starts on hole 4 blow, which is C. Then 4 draw is D, 5 blow is E, 5 draw is F, 6 blow is G, 6 draw is A, 7 blow is B, and 7 draw is C. Practice playing these 8 notes slowly and evenly. Try a simple tune like Mary Had a Little Lamb using these notes. Smooth transitions are key to musicality. Bending notes adds incredible expression to your playing. It involves changing the pitch of a note by altering the airflow and resonance in your mouth. On a C harmonica, draw bends are common on holes 1, 2, 3, and 4. To bend, draw air while subtly changing your tongue position, almost like saying EU. Start with hole 2 draw, aiming to lower its pitch by a half step or whole step. This technique takes practice and patience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.